morning and good afternoon, kids. This is teacher Gigi. How are you today? So for today, we're going to learn our new lesson, which is about the sun, the moon, and the solar system. So, are you ready? Let's start. So let's start with the sun. So the sun is the center of the solar system. So it says that the sun is in the center of our solar system. So as you can see, if you're going to look in the solar system, you can see that the sun is surrounded by our 8 planets. It is about 110 times bigger than our Earth. So if you're going to compare the size of the sun and the sun is 110 times bigger than our Earth. And the sun is actually considered as a star. So sometimes, or they said that the sun is the biggest star in our solar system. So we have sunrise and sunset. So sunrise or sun up is the moment when the upper limb of the sun appears on the horizon in the morning. So when you wake up in the morning and you see the sun going up in the sky, it is called as sunrise or sun up. Again, if you see the sun going up in the morning, it is called as sunrise. And when you see the sun going down or below the horizon, it is called as sunset. So again, sunset, also known as sundown, is the daily disappearance of the sun below the horizon due to Earth's rotation. So again, if it is sun up, we call it as sunrise. And when it is sundown, we call it as sunset. So sunrise is in the morning and sunset is during in the afternoon going to evening. Okay, so next we have phases of the moon. So the moon does not emit any light. So as we all know, the moon is a non-luminous object. So when we say non-luminous, these objects does not emit any light. So the moon reflects the light from the sun. So since the sun has the light, so the moon reflects its light from the sun. So the phases of the moon, of course, because the moon rotates around the earth. So since the moon is reflecting light from the sun, it changes its shapes because it rotates around the earth. Okay, so next we have your solar system. So we're going to talk about the 8 planets. So please make sure that you're going to memorize the 8 planets because it will be included in your final test. Okay, so in our solar system, we have 8 planets. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So, number 1, we have planet Mercury. Again, everybody, can you say Mercury? Very good. Next, number 2, we have Venus. Again, Venus. Next, number 3, we have Earth. Again, Earth. Very good. Number 4, we have planet Mars. Again, Mars. Very good. Next, we have number 5, we have Jupiter. Again, Jupiter. Very good. Next, number 6, we have Saturn. Saturn. And number 7, we have Uranus. Uranus. And for the last one, we have Neptune. Neptune. Okay, so for you to easily memorize our solar system, we came up with a song that goes like the London Bridge is falling down. We have Mercury, Venus, and Earth, Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Okay, can you sing with me? Ready? One, two, three, go. Mercury, Venus, and Earth, Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Very good. So remember, our planet number 1 is Mercury, number 2 is Venus, number 3 is Earth, 4 Mars, 5 Jupiter, 6 Saturn, 7 Uranus, and 8 is Neptune. Okay, so please make sure to memorize our 8 planets. Alright, so for your activity of the day, please get your workbook, page 83, activity number 1. Again, workbook, page 83, activity number 1. So the diagram below shows the solar system. Label the planets correctly. Okay, so all you have to do is to write what planet is this. So you're going to write the answer on the box. So for example, number 1, we have planet number 1. So what is planet number 1? We have Mercury. So you're going to write Mercury in here. Alright, so that's it for today. I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.